Here we go.
Mommy, can you bring us that second?
No, let's go to your table. Just go to your table.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
I see you. Hold on, Ayat, your sound's not on yet. I do see you, Ayat. Hello. Uh-oh. You weren't supposed to color those yet.
Hi, Julie.
Hold on a minute. Oh, cute. Did you make 2 copies?
Cover them all these what I want.
Yeah, but that's our craft today. What are you going to do when we're doing that? There's Annalise was first today. I saw Annalise on the screen first. Okay, number 2 was a youth. And then it was Ayat. And then, yes, Adeline.
Second. Very big girl.
And Andrea.
How you different?
And I hear Charles. There's Charles. I see Charles. And now we're just missing Macy. Okay. 1 minute, friends. Yes, Ayat. Yes.
I have a
You're in class.
Oh, that's cool. What's on the front? What is the circle? Oh, I hear people, but I can't hear Ayat.
No.
Hold on.
Not bigger, stronger.
Okay, Ayat, say it again.
It's more bigger. More.
Oh, cool. I love it.
And
All right. Okay, friends. Oh, we're still missing Macy. Okay, hold on. All right. You guys today is, yeah, Macy should be here. There's the cutest. Hello, buddy. All right, everybody. I know we had a problem with the pictures yesterday. Well, you guys didn't go. Did everyone get their butterflies? Yes, good job.
We need other butterflies.
Aculis got his.
Andrea,
Andrea, did your mom print yours for you? Yes. I see. You did awesome. Those are great colors you chose. Okay, there was also one other one with letter R's on it. But this one, your moms were supposed to hide the letter R's around for you to find them. And then, so I said you could do the butterflies. You could color them, or I got my water paint out today. Is that why you have your water cup? Is you going to do water painting? I got my water paints today. Yeah, all right. I had some cool colors. I love it. So we're gonna.
I already have my water paint.
If you don't have any, that's fine. You can use crayons or markers. You don't have to use water. Yes, Adelise.
Did you email those?
I got these 3 colors.
Hold on.
Green, orange, green.
Okay.
I got red.
Okay, I gotta mute everybody so I can hear Adelise. Okay.
Did you email that worksheet?
Yeah, the butterflies I think was yesterday.
Oh, I didn't get anything.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. I can send it to you. No problem.
Yeah, so I can print it out real quick.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, let's just send it to my email.
He can't hear me.
Wait a minute.
1 more minute, guys, and then we're gonna start. Here we go.
I love butterflies.
Oh, good.
Of course.
Let's send it to.
Mira.
I'm gonna forward it to. All right, we will start now. Okay, it should come over right now.
Okay.
All right, guys. I don't know where Macy is, but everyone is having, some people are having bad weather. That's a snowstorm, so Macy might not make it today. All right, everybody, put your pictures to the side. Okay. Let's see. The first one on the screen today was actually Annalise. So let's sing for Annalise first. There is a friend who's here today, Annalise.
Mommy,
A-D-E-L-I-S. A-D-E-L-I-S-E. A-D-E-L-I-S-E. We're glad Annalise is here today. And second one, Ayat. There is a friend who's here today. Ayat is her name. A-Y-A-T. We're glad Ayat is here today. Number 3 was the youth. There is a friend who's here today. A youth is his name. A-V-Y-U-K-T-H. 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 We're glad our youth is here today. Number 4 was Andrea. There is a friend who's here today. Andrea is her name. O-A-N-D. R-E-A. R-E-A. A-N-D. R-E-A. We're glad Andrea's here today. And the last one for now is Charles, but he's not there. There is a friend who's here today. And Charles is his name. C-H-A-R-L-E. We're glad Charles is here today. Look at that, you guys are pros. You know how to spell everybody's name already.
Yeah.
Oh, I might mix it up. We might have some new friends join our class in March. So, more friends to learn. All right. Macy, if she shows up, she might be having internet problems today. Okay, listen, guys. Let's try to remember that we need to take turns raising hands. So yesterday's number on the calendar was 17. What number comes, now listen to the word I'm saying, after 17 becomes today's number. Ayat.
18.
Very good. 18 for the win. It is number 18 today on the green rectangle. And
18 is on 90.
very good. Hold on. 18 with the monkey. All right. So what should we do 18 times? Can you think of something different? Turning around in a circle today? You think so? All right. No jumping though. Okay, no jumping. Turn around in a circle 18 times. But everybody remember to count. Oh, we lost. You can go to the right or to the left. Pick whatever way you want to go. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12,
Yeah.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Who's dizzy?
Oh, too dizzy.
Who got dizzy from that one?
Me.
Yeah, that was a little dizzy this morning. Good thing we didn't do. Dude, oh, Charles is over there now. Charles, you switched seats? Now I can see your door. Oh, he's spinning in a circle. He's still spinning. You're gonna fall to the ground, Charles.
I just want to
Oh, he likes it. He's got a big smile. Well, at least he's got a smile. All right. So, oh my goodness, guys. That gave me a little bit dizzy. All right. So today we are. What are we doing?
a monkey.
Everyone's a monkey. Okay. All right, friends. Where's my marker? I have my red marker for letter R. And what letter are we on? R. So if you have crayons or markers or a piece of paper or a chalkboard or a whiteboard, we're gonna work a little bit on writing our letters and our numbers right now, and then we'll move on to our coloring or our painting. All right, so
Okay.
everybody make a capital R on your paper and then hold it up and show me. All right? And then I will describe how you make a capital letter R. So what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna do a line down. And now my marker.
More than one.
Line down.
No, she's
A
asking for
bubble. Make a P.
the.
And then a line on an angle. Letter R. Capital. Big letter R.
Let Ms.Julie.
Yes, do it on the back of there. Andrea, do it on the back so you're not looking at them.
Where is that?
Because I gave those letter R's to you. That was the paper I gave you. All right, so that's big R. And
What are you doing?
who knows when we write a capital R? Very good, Akio. Very good, Andrea. All right, so, uh-oh, I got left. Maybe she needed a marker. You're using a notebook. Awesome, with lines. I love it. Great work there, Annalise. Okay, so, capital R. We use capital R when we're going to write somebody's name. So, what do we say? Lucky, Rachel. Yeah, Rashim. Rapunzel, all with capital R. Oh, awesome, Charles, but Charles, can you start with the letter P? Start with the letter P.
There you go.
Make the letter P, and then put a line out from the side of the P. How's it going there? All right. Look at all the letter R's. Okay.
Red line.
Now, lowercase r, friends. Small r.
No,
Are you singing a song? I heard singing, Andrea. Lowercase r is just like a little bit of a short N. There's R.
Okay, sorry.
Let me check the waiting room, make sure Macy's not popped in. Nope, no Macy. There's letter R. And we write small r for words like rose and red and rabbit. Whoa.
R is red. That's correct, Mom.
Good job, Andrea. You're adding a little bit of flair to yours. Maybe stick with it. Andrea, look at mine. Look at mine. It doesn't have a little tail on it. It's just a line down with a little curve. Okay. Now, who has a letter R in their name?
I need 2 coats.
No, you
No.
I do.
Andrea does. Andrea, you have a lowercase r in your name. So I'm going to write your name and I'm going to show you where your R is.
have it in my last name.
Good. We'll remember that. I see it on the screen. I'll write it out and we'll hold it up.
I have so many different. I have so many different red colors.
Let's,
I just really want.
okay, everyone look at the screen. Here's Andrea's name, Andrea. She has a, look at that. She has a lowercase r in her name, small r.
I have a lot of them.
You have a lot of r's in your name, in your last name too? Look, there's lowercase r in Andrea's name. Now let's write Charles's
I
name.
got a lot of letter, small letters.
Charles's name has an R too.
The capital G.
Okay.
Your last name.
Here we go. Here's Charles. Charles, look at the screen. There's your name, and you have a lowercase r also. A small r in your name. Charles.
No, lower.
R.
That's
Okay,
what you
let's
have.
write. Annalise says she has one in her last name. So we'll write her last name, and we'll point out the R for Annalise. Her last name starts with the letter G.
7 years old because I'm a
A-L-L-A-R-D.
Studying A also.
Okay, guys, here's Annalise's last name. Not her first name, but her last. And she has a lowercase r in her name. And she wrote it on her paper. Awesome. Great work. See the lowercase r, small r when it's inside a word. Okay, Achilles, you have R. It's okay, because I don't either. And Ayat does not have an R either. All right, let's move on to
R goes like this, mira.
Who did you
Un
make it
palito.
to?
And it's tiny bit, you see?
This one, yeah, I know how to make it.
No, that's the kind of thing that, yeah. This is R. Practice the lowercase r. Yeah, that one.
Hey, guys.
Practice.
Listen, friends. We're just going to do a few, maybe 4. We're only going to do 4 small words with R. The first one we're going to do is
Us, mommy.
run. R-U-N. Run.
Let's get it.
I can run fast.
Lowercase r.
R-U-N. I can run.
You.
You.
Look, run. U, N.
What did I?
I said run.
You did? Can I see your writing? Hold it up.
Right, red.
No, we're not writing red. Oh, you did write red already, but I'm not on that one yet. But good try. Did you write the R-U-N? Okay. Hughes, you need to do lowercase r. No big R. Charles, let's see what you're writing. Did you write on the back of your butterfly picture?
Almost good.
How about
See?
rain? R-A-I-N.
Or rain.
I like to dance in the rain.
Do it aquí again.
A and
I-N.
R.
All those letters in that word are simple to make.
A.
I'm going to hold it up to the screen.
A.
We lost Ayat. Ayat, are you looking for a marker?
¿Por qué tiene? A.
Where did you go, Ayat?
rain. The red rain.
Peekaboo. Where did you go? Can you write the word for me?
N.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Accused, let me see your letter R. Accused, hold it back up, accused. Hold it back up. I want to see your work. Okay. I need you to do lowercase r, small r. You're doing great with the capital. Small
Ms.Julie.
Andrea. All right, Charles. Awesome writing there, Annalise. Charles, let's see your letter R's. Did you do any? You were holding your paper up. What color? Are you using a pencil? Because I don't see the writing. Okay. Let's do 2 more, and then we're moving on. Okay. How about
Cat.
oh, cat doesn't start with R. I got rat. R-A-T. Rat.
Oh, rat.
Good one to learn to read too.
No.
The cat chased the rat.
A.
R-A-T. Rat. Rat. The cat chased the rat.
Okay.
The rat's gone.
Okay, this is correct.
Oh, Annalise is using a pencil. Good work.
Donkeys aquí.
Rats. And now we got one more. One more.
A.
Last one, no?
Yeah, last one.
And the letter T.
Let's see.
T is this one. Okay, right.
Okay, guys. Ring. Ring.
Or ring.
Ring.
So,
I have a ring on my
R again.
finger.
The letter R.
R. Lowercase R, friends. Try to do lowercase.
Son palitos so that N.
Okay. Andrea, do you need to see the word? Or do you know how to spell ring? 'Cause look, I'm holding it up for you. If you look at the screen so you can spell it right. R-I-N-G. Ring.
Okay. Alaman sama.
Yeah, you disappeared again.
You can show us.
Charles, can I see some of your writing?
I made that for you.
Okay, hold it
Can you
here.
write the word? Not yet? Do you have a marker or crayon?
No good.
Oh, she's got a marker.
Oh,
Can you
yeah.
are you writing for anything?
I
Oh,
made
look at Annalise. Everybody give Annalise a high five. Everyone put your hand up at the screen. High five. Annalise, all the way. High five for the awesome work. Oh, good job, Annalise. Oh, Andrea, great job with your lowercase r's. Acute, hold your paper up. Oh, very good. High five all the way to Acute. Yeah. What did you write? I see R's. Good. Oh, awesome work too. Charles, I can see something. What can I see? R. Awesome, Charles. Super work. Okay, guys. That's enough for the practicing R. You guys did great.
Okay.
Let's see. Now, we were talking a little bit about
Bonito, Clarice.
the rainforest. Rainforest, okay? So, here's the picture of the rainforest.
Rainforest have a red R.
It does. Great job. That's the word, rainforest.
You are the live.
Okay, so listen.
Rainforest.
Yeah. Everybody, I want everyone to take a turn. Raise your hand, and I'll call on you. What would you find in the rainforest in this picture? What would you?
A gorilla.
Okay, that's your guess. A gorilla. Okay, no, wait for the other friends. Andrea, do you have a guess? What would we find in the rainforest? No? Okay. Andrea, what would we find? No, Andrea, you don't have to get up. I'm asking you a question. What do you see in the rainforest? Monkeys. I like that one, okay? Ayat, what animal or what do you find in the rainforest?
Waterfall.
I love it. Annalise, do you have a guess of something you could find in the rainforest?
Yes.
What? What is your idea?
Some flowers.
Oh, I love that one. We haven't said that much at all. Yes, definitely. Different types of flowers and plants. Different types of
Roses.
roses. I'm not sure about roses, but that would be pretty if they were there. Tropical flowers. Charles, what's your guess that you think you would see in the rainforest? Charles. Charles, I can see your green pitchfork, but I cannot hear you. Unmute, Charles, unmute. You're poking me with the green pitchfork.
Yeah.
No. Okay, Charles. Charles, what would you find in the rainforest?
I would find a waterfall.
Awesome. I love that one. That was our card yesterday. Waterfall. The animals would enjoy the waterfall after they get hot and sticky. They can cool off at the waterfall. So there are many different types of things you can find in the rainforest.
And
Yes.
if I got hot, I would go have some fun and swim in it.
Oh, that would be exciting. I like that
When
idea
it
too.
go hot in the beach, well, we will eat some popsicles.
Oh, so there are lots of different plants and animals in the rainforest. Today,
When you get all of your shots, you could probably be an explorer and go to the rainforest, and if we got kind of
love
hot,
that.
we could just
I love that
in the
idea,
water.
Charles. Okay, so yes, I gave you all butterflies today because you can find butterflies in the rainforest. So everybody can color their butterflies or you can paint them. So I do have my water paint and I am going to try to paint my butterflies with beautiful colors. Charles, do you have markers, crayons, or your water paints?
Paint.
Do you have paints, Akula?
Yeah, yes, I do have any. I have always.
Okay.
Do you have the brushes?
All your
Yeah.
paint.
Andrea, are you going to paint or are you going to color, Andrea?
I'm going to color.
Oh, great. Okay, so I'm just going to make my beautiful rainforest butterflies. I'm going to tip my camera down to show you. Where's my...
What am I supposed to do with the paint?
We were decorating our butterflies. Do you have your butterfly picture that I'm holding up?
All the colors.
Hugh already colored some butterflies, but he can do another picture if he wants.
I'm making my butterfly purple.
Oh, I'm starting with green today because then the butterfly can blend into the surroundings and be camouflaged. Remember that word we used?
Imagine the butterfly can change color. Mine can blend into me.
I love that, Charles.
I wish the butterfly can change color.
Oh, that would be fancy. The butterflies can blend in though. They could blend into their surroundings.
Yeah.
They can do camouflage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Purple.
Purple. I should do a butterfly purple because I love purple. Ooh, my purple butterfly is gonna look so pretty.
You'll see mine how it's gonna look.
I'm gonna do blue and purple together.
That would make them yellow.
Does anybody know anything about butterflies?
Yeah.
Well, you know what they do? There's a big word for you.
First, the butterfly supposed to do.
Migrate. Everybody say migrate. Migrate means they fly from, if I had butterflies by my house, they fly down south to where Charles lives and where Ayat lives down south because they like the warm weather.
I saw a butterfly today.
Awesome, Charles. I did not. I have.
Butterfly, why is that cool?
Annalise got her hand up. Annalise is quiet and she's got her hand up. Yes, Annalise?
And my grandma house, we climbed the tree and we saw a butterfly in my house.
Beautiful.
And it was white.
A white one. Yes, there's different colors. You can have a white and black butterfly. You can have a yellow.
It kind of looks Fluttershy cutie mark.
Fluttershy. Oh.
Yeah.
Fluttershy is a. Was those my
It looks like a cutie mark or something.
cutie mark? Oh,
That's cool.
yeah. Charles, are you coloring yours? Are you painting?
Mr. Julie with the butterfly life cycle.
The butterfly life cycle? Okay. What do you know about it?
The butterfly puts the egg on there.
Yes.
And the caterpillars come.
Okay. And then what happens?
And and eat all the leaves and the fruits. And he goes to the turn into a cocoon, and he turns into a butterfly.
Oh, that was awesome. That's in one of my favorite books, The Hungry Caterpillar. First, they turn into a caterpillar. First starts as a little egg on the leaf.
When people
Then it turns into a caterpillar. And then it eats so much food, it forms a cocoon around itself. When they
wake up, it'll be a butterfly.
And then it emerges from it and becomes a butterfly. Yeah.
Very good.
That was awesome. Good work. You guys know all about that. So I bet the same thing happens in the jungle. New butterflies are formed all the time.
Look.
Who likes? Oh, Andrea, great work.
Look at mine. You know I use
Yeah, I love it. Mine's gonna take a little while to dry because I'm using.
This one, Mommy. Imagine yours can change color.
Change color? That would be magical.
If you color, this is Clarice, and this is Papi. And glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark. That would be even more magical. Annalise, are you coloring or painting?
Paint.
Awesome. Charles, how's yours coming? Look at mine. Mine are beautiful.
Yeah, it's rainbow.
They are a rainbow.
It's rainbow-tastic.
Rainbow-tastic. I love it. You're so fun. Okay. So you don't have to be done yet if you don't want to. If you want to add more details. But I do have a butterfly. I do have a butterfly poem. So
Usa las otras.
here's the butterfly poem.
Use the other one.
3 pretty butterflies gliding through the trees. One swooped down to take a look at me. So now there's 2 pretty butterflies sitting on a leaf. One flew away to find something. One pretty butterfly is all that I can see. One pretty butterfly is, so it landed right on me. Oh, wow, Charles, so pretty. Let that dry, bud. That was awesome. You guys, when your butterflies are dry, cut them out. You can cut them out.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever had a butterfly land on them before? Who's ever had a butterfly land on their finger or their arm before? Anybody? I asked, you see butterflies by where you live in Louisiana? You see butterflies there? Yeah, they're very fun. Yeah, did you know that they like flowers? So sometimes like people's gardens. They love sweet smelling flowers.
My hands.
No.
I can't hear you. Okay.
Hi.
Yes. Good job. Okay. All right, friends. I did give you this page of letter R's. But what I wanted us to do is I wanted your mom or your dad or somebody to cut these little R's out and stick them around. And you to go on a letter R hunt for these letter R's. So that you can find them. So if you want to do that later as an activity, that would be great. But right now, does anyone have any new things that they can think of that start with the letter R that we can talk about? I have a few new words that we haven't said on my list.
Letter R.
There's a lot of
Ring.
Hold on. Annalise has her hand up. Thank you, Annalise.
Red.
Red. Yes, we said red. Good job remembering. Okay. Andrea, what was yours? Andrea?
Rainbow.
Oh, I love it, Annalise. Now Andrea's turn.
I'll do something else.
Okay. Hughes has his hand up.
Rabbit.
Awesome. Okay, Hughes, what's yours? There's something different.
Rainbow. There's some sunlight. First the sunlight, First,
Rainbow.
we planted the ground flower. We plant the seed. We put the seed on, and we put the sprout comes.
Oh, but that's not about a rainbow. That's about a flower. We're on letter R. Charles has got his hand up, or maybe not. Yeah, can you think of a new word that starts with letter R?
I know.
I got a food. Wonder if
R
someone
for
can think-
rainbow.
Yes, R for rainbow. Good job. Hold on now. It's Ayat's turn. Ayat, you got something?
Me.
No? Okay, Charles got his hand up.
I know.
Charles, but you gotta unmute, bud.
Tela.
I got a painting.
Beautiful. You did a great job on that. Let it dry.
Guys, I got raspberry.
Roses. Beautiful. Charles, you have to unmute, buddy. I want to hear what you have to say. 1 minute, Andrea. Charles is unmuting. Charles, what R word can you think of?
Butterflies take nectar from flowers.
Good job. I like that. That was a good one. I like that.
And say and rainbow butterflies.
Everybody listen. Put your hand up if you eat rice. Rice starts with the letter R. Rice. Who likes rice? No? Yeah, rice is good. Rice. Or raisins. I think we already said raisins.
R for rocket.
Rocket. Yeah, we went over rocket already, but I think you weren't here. We did have a rocket on our list, right? Charles shared his rocket, and I got shared her rocket. How about
Okay. Aquí te falta de.
ooh, I hear the dog. Raccoon.
Now
The animal.
I feel
Raccoon starts with R. And rhinoceros starts with R. Where can you see the rhinoceros? At the zoo. Yeah, we can't see them in person or in their habitat. They have to be at the zoo. Does anyone?
died.
He died? What? I don't know. Okay. Make sure I showed you all the stuff in my basket because everyone's not here tomorrow. Let me look again. Oh, did I show you this guy?
It's a crocodile.
I know, but why would I put him in my basket for letter R? What word did I say? He's part of a group called
Alligator.
reptiles.
Reptiles.
Reptiles. Reptiles are a group like the cats. This is the reptiles of the alligator, the lizard, the snake, the iguana are a part of a big group. They're like cousins.
Iguana?
So if you have any cousins, your family and your group
I
is called
got
cousins.
I got sister.
Yes, that's your sister. Good job.
I got one.
But this guy is cousins with the iguana and the lizard and the snake, and they're part of the reptiles.
How do you like them?
Reptiles.
This one is me, this one's Kobe's, and this one is Papi. This one is Papi, this one is baby, and this one is Mommy.
Con ese no.
Okay, guys, we're almost done. Let's review these 3 cards here. Oh, we already know this one. Okay. You already know this one, right? What's this one?
Rocket!
Rocket! Rocket with lowercase r. Rocket. Okay. Now here's one that's a difficult one.
At 6 a.m., maybe 5:30 a.m. Oops. Yeah.
Roots. Everybody say roots. Roots. These are the ones underground in the dirt when a plant or a flower or a tree grows, Andrea. Look at the roots. Yes, Andrea?
It starts with R.
Very good. It does. Yes. That's why I'm showing it to you. roots grow in the ground from the plants and the flowers and the trees and the vegetables, and it starts with letter R. And that's what they look like little, I don't know, vine things, kind of like sticks. They grow longer, sunshine and water in the ground. Okay,
Yeah.
and then I got one more. It's a type of bird
What is that?
called a robin.
Robin.
Robin. Robin is a type of bird called the robin.
Robin.
Good job, guys. Okay.
Purple?
I want everybody to have a good rest of your day. If it's cold by you,